Police here, police there, police in the backyard, police. I ain't done nothing wrong. Let me in. Oh yeah, just woke up. You steal this bicycle? Here's the strawberries. The subject of an earlier discussion. 3:30 in the morning. Where'd they all go? Usually there's lots of strawberries. Police. And strawberries. There they are. Yeah, a few strawberries. A few strawberries. A few. And a few bums. Do you know where the perpetrators of the crime are? Nice house. Too bad the rest of the neighborhood is so run down. Oop. Taking down names. That's it. Strawberries and crime. Goodbye.